Good morning, everybody. So today we're just gonna do a little bit of vlogging, kind of just exactly like what we did yesterday. So first things first, this morning we got the water truck idling up, warming up, not idling. Ohio's bipolar, and we got to run down. I got a cabin really close to my house that we take care of. I'll make sure you get some spray away so I can clean my mirrors off. But that one go all full. But getting some spray away so we can clean the mirrors off. But we're running down to the cabin to fill a hot tub because that hot tub needs drained, and that one takes like 2.5 to 3 hours to fill. For some reason it's just really slow, and we got a good, well, we don't got a good bit of stuff, but we got to go to another cabin first thing this morning and put all the linens in. There was a bed bug scare, so we had to treat all the linens for it, so we got to haul all the linens back out. So I'm gonna get these mirrors to where I can see out of them, and we'll get heading down the road. Alright, here's the clean. We can see out of them now, so we're gonna fire that old girl up so she's nice. Yeah, it's chilly out, but it's not freezing out, but we can at least get the dew off of it, because, you know, I didn't park it in the garage last night. A, because I'm lazy and I don't like opening and closing that door. I need to get a remote put on that door. But anywho, we'll catch up with you guys here in just a second. Okay guys, I forget, how do you drive this thing? I got this weird looking thing, that weird yellow thing, that weird gauge. What is that gauge? I don't know. Alright, let's roll down the road. It's been like 2 years since we drove this one. Tyler's always been the driver of the water truck. Well, he drove it all this summer. I just haven't. I drove it some last summer. So let's get heading down the road. Alright, we'll catch up with you guys down there. Just like that, 2 minutes later, we're here. Legitly, 2 minutes. Maybe not even that. Maybe like a minute. Not very far at all. So, Zach and Clayton's here. You can already smell the tub. It smells freaking nasty. But Zach and Clayton's here. Zach's getting the tub drained down. Oh yeah. That thing looks delicious. Well, just won't stay put.
No, not really.
Wow.
Did Brooke do this yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, she probably just knew no better to shut the tub off.
So what Zach's doing is trying to clean the tub out, get all the nasty water we can out of it, so that way when we fill it up. I'm working on setting up the new hoses. Not setting up the hoses, the new hoses, but rolling out our hose. You guys sit right here. Think that's enough? Probably not. Alright, it is enough.
Huh?
Talking camera.
Oh.
Gotta have them appropriate safety glasses on for the tub, right?
Only when your dog chews them up. Stupid dog. I hope he poops it out sideways. I couldn't find it anywhere.
Zach's dog chewed up his glasses, and he cannot find a single lens or a lens.
I've got the one in my glasses still. I can't find the other one at all. Like, I'm kind of surprised that he chew it up so much that I can't find it.
Right.
But stupid dog. Kind of felt like a BB.
Alright, well, this is the action for the first little bit this morning. So, I'm gonna get ready to start pumping the truck down. Catch up with you there. So there's still that little bit left in here. The pump will never pump out. So we're sifting it, and in theory, once we fill this tub completely up, it should be.
Yeah, get all the dirt out of it.
Yeah, to get all the dirt out of it. The filter will do the difference, and then, you know, we'll shock the tub and the whole 9 yards to sterilize the water, and we're good to go. But we're getting pretty close to firing her up, so stay tuned. Alright, we're getting ready to go live. Zach's getting the pump on. Is it on?
Maybe.
She just told.
I just flipped it.
Oh, it wasn't on? Alright, as soon as it starts going clear, put it in, put it in. It's just gone. Can you point it down more? There you go. Try to get that thing pointing straight down if you can. Yeah. And this is how you get a tub filled in under 2 minutes. You had to just set it out. And just like that, That's how you get it done. That green tent is from the water plant. It's just how the water comes out at the city water department. So, we'll get this wrapped up and we'll be onward Tally Ho. So, one thing about filling it like that, you should always fill through your filter so you don't get a airlock, because that's what is happening right now, and Zach is trying to override it to get it going.
Airlock.
Oh, it's not?
No, not airlock. The panel's locked.
Oh, panel's
Temperature
locked.
lock. An airlock we wouldn't have yet.
Yeah, duh.
Wake up.
Yeah, no kidding. But
You can edit that out later.
yeah, we'll just edit that out. But yeah, that's one of the problems sometimes you have, is it won't be able to, the jets won't run. You should really always try to fill your hot tubs through the filter housing. So let's get this stuff wrapped up. And it might be easier to just keep it on the ground. Yeah, just like that. Look at Zach using his measuring cup. He listens to his boss. So he has other opinions about what I have to say. Alright, that's pretty much it for here. Alright, because it's so short, I figured I would just show you guys how close it is to here. So we'll keep this in live form. I'm going to try to shift gears in the whole 9 yards. If this place ever went for sale, I wouldn't mind buying it. Well, it has went for sale once, but he wanted way too much for it. Sorry, car came around the corner up here. get done within a year, at least, maybe a year and a half. It just depends. Plus, I got a whole front end rebuild kit for this thing that still needs to get put on. There's one section of the parts. The other section of the parts is on my truck, or in the shop. I did put the new leaf springs on it. Go into gear. Alright, and just like that, we're here. I'm gonna get whipped into here. And just like that, we're home. Fancy key. We'll go hang that up. Might be a minute for the old water truck gets drove again. Because if we have real small hauls, usually like hot tubs and stuff, because we're coming into the cold season, we will just throw the small tank in the back of my truck with the 2-inch pump, because the 3-inch pump's really hard to hold on to for hot tubs. We have a special little, we call it a candy cane, that hooks onto the tubs, but it's broke. We didn't know that. Add it to the list of stuff to get fixed. So we're gonna go in here to the office. My wife's office, it looks bare. She got to put all her Halloween stuff out. Hang keys for that girl up and grab our camera bag.